Right. I'm moving again in my best elements, and I offer you another video, or I give you another video, still on the series in Bulawayo, Bulawayo City, Bulawayo Town in Zimbabwe, Republic of Zimbabwe. And now, according to news, according to current affairs, according to recent developments, uh, there's a call, a deeper, potent call for humanitarian organizations, for the government of Zimbabwe to intervene into the issue happening in Bulawayo City, Bulawayo Town, whereby, like I've said in my past videos, like I've said in my previous or past videos, children are seen loitering on the streets. They leave their homes, they leave their houses, they leave their suburban areas, they leave their residential areas, like Pumula South, Pumula North, or Luveve, Mzilikazi, Ngulumane, Njube, and they come and stay on the streets. They come and base themselves on the streets, living on the streets, working on the streets, or loitering on the streets by themselves. And they leave their guidance at home. They leave their parents at home, or they leave other kids from the same family, same household, same homestead. They leave them at home and come and stay on the streets. So this, for a long time, for the past months, or for the past 1 2 years, this has been the trend, a new development, a new social reality unfolding in Bulawayo City, Bulawayo Town. And now there's a deeper call, a potent call for humanitarian organizations, non-governmental organizations, either local NGOs or international NGOs, to come and intervene on this issue by providing immediate and well-coordinated responses to this situation, coming up with holistic approaches in order to solve this matter. Even the government of Zimbabwe to come and intervene on this issue, because this shows a family breakdown, a breakdown in family support systems, a breakdown in community support systems. This shows that there are a lot of social economic pressures that are being experienced by these children or by the families in Bulawayo City, Bulawayo Town. So this issue alone, it reflects, or it shows a myriad of things. It shows a series of things that the families in Bulawayo, they are breaking up, or the communities in Bulawayo, they are breaking up. Because why are children coming on the streets? Why are these street children increasing every day in number to an alarming level? Every day, there's always an issue of more kids, more children, more youths coming on the streets of Bulawayo. What is the problem? What is the issue? What are the pushing factors? What are the motivating factors? So it shows a lot of things deeper down in the ground, a lot of things that families support systems are no longer there, or they're breaking up. Community support systems are no longer there, or they're breaking up. You understand? And remember again, these children, when they come on the streets, either boys or girls, they are exposed to a lot of violence, a lot of domestic violence, a lot of substance abuse or drug abuse. You know the issue of drugs, you know the issue of substance abuse. You understand? Too much alcoholism, and it's a bad thing to the health of these boys, to the health of these girls. They're exposed to a lot of exploitation, exposed to a lot of suppression when they come on the streets, especially when they are doing informal labor, when they're hired by people working on the streets, or by these businesses or enterprises in the Bulawayo CBD, Bulawayo Town, and they start to do informal labor, which expose them to a lot of exploitation. They can be exploited. They can be suppressed by these businesses or business enterprises who are working in Bulawayo Town when they hire these kids to do something for them. So they are exposed to a lot of risk, violence, abuse, negligence or neglect, exploitation, talk about suppression. A lot of social damages can happen to them. So this is not a good reality. This is not a good thing. This is not a good phenomenon. So there's a deeper call, a potent call, a powerful call for community organizations, local non-governmental organizations, international non-governmental organizations, social workers, social worker organizations, social worker associations in the Bulawayo city, Bulawayo town, to come up with strategies, to come up with interventions, to come up with potent solutions, to come up with long-term structural solutions in order to resolve this thing, in order to reduce this thing, in order to stop this thing from happening in Bulawayo city, Bulawayo town. Please, I want you to follow what I'm saying. This is very important. So according to current affairs, what I was reading, there are already people working on this matter, people working on the ground on this matter to call for humanitarian organizations, social welfare experts, social development professionals, NGOs, either local or international, to come and feature themselves, to come and intervene on this matter, coming with immediate responses, coordinated responses, or holistic approaches, or emergency interventions to stop this thing from happening or to reduce this thing from happening, to mitigate this risk that these children are exposed to every day when they come on the streets of Bulawayo. Yes. So this is the video, or the main purpose of this video, whereby now I'm talking about resolving this matter, solving this issue, whereby Ndebele kids, Ndebele children, Ndebele youths are coming on the streets every day, and they are seen visibly at night, deeper hours of the night, or at evening, or during afternoon, or during the morning hours, and they're doing nothing on any corner of the street, on any side of the street, within the circumference of Bulawayo city, Bulawayo town. Ndebele boys, Ndebele kids. Remember, this is the future of the Ndebele community, this is the future of Ndebele families, Ndebele community. When you talk about generation to generation and another generation to another generation, this is their future. This is their future, or their offspring, that they have to take the present generation to the next generation and again to the next generation. So if they are doing this kind of lifestyle, what's going to happen to their life? What's going to happen to the future of Ndebele people or Ndebele tribe? Personally, I'm not happy. I'm not impressed. When I talk about this, or when I was reading this, when I was studying about this, when I was perusing and browsing this issue on the internet, I was not happy. Even now, I am still not happy, and I'll never be happy. I'll never be impressed by this issue, because I know the importance of life. I know the importance of human life, the importance of human dignity. But this issue, it tells me the opposite thing. So there's need to respect human life. There's need to respect human dignity. So I'm also praying and hoping that welfare organizations, social worker organizations, social worker associations, humanitarian organizations, local non-governmental organizations, local voluntary associations or organizations, even Bulawayo City Council, even whatever private or public sector organization or association must come and intervene on this matter, to research everything, to dig out everything on this issue. These kids, these children, Ndebele boys, Ndebele girls, or from whatever tribe who are coming on the streets. Remember, the issue is about street life. It's about living on the street, or working on the streets, or domiciling, loitering on the streets. So it's about street life. That's the point. That's the issue. So what are they doing there? So it has to be stopped or reduced to a smaller level, little level, or it has to be eradicated at all, destroyed at all. We don't want to see this kind of a thing. We don't want to see this kind of a reality unfold in Bulawayo City, Bulawayo town. Human life is very important. Human life is very important. It has to be respected. Human dignity is very important. It has to be respected. So something must happen. Something has to change. Something has to change. This life is not good. To live a street life as a boy or as a girl, it's not good. It's not right. It's not okay. It's not fine. You understand? I pray God will help us, Jehovah will help us on this matter, to use any organization, to use any people, anybody, any professional, any social worker, any Bulawayo City Council official, or the management or the administration, to resolve this matter that's happening on the streets of Bulawayo City, Bulawayo town. I'm done talking. Any comments, come to my comment box, comment section. I'll come and check them out. I'll come and see them out. I'm done talking. Peace out.